is Kirollos Fahmy. I'm studying at Asia Pacific University. My TB number is TB067904. Today I'll be exploring more about AI and educational tools. My research title is Exploring the Implication of Using Educational Tools in Completing Assignments Among University Students. So before we dive into how those tools work and how students use educational tools to work on their assignments and why students use educational tools, let's just have a small look on the history of educational tools. So in the 20th century, new technologies started to be used in classrooms such as computers, calculators, and typewriters. Later on in the 1960s and 1970s, there was a growing interest in how those tools can actually work and how those tools can help education to grow. In the 21st science and technology century, which we live nowadays, educational tools are becoming more and more popular for students to work on their assignments and study for their exams. So the problem statements we could find for this research was that there is no clear image on how those tools can actually affect students' performance, engagement, and learning outcomes. Also, how those tools can help students interact and get better marks for their assignments, which as I covered in my research. This qualitative research used phenomenological design. A total of 5 participants from different private Malaysian schools, including Asia Pacific University. This research uses interviews carried out with semi-structured questions to ask the participant more and more about educational tools from their past experience. Using semantic analysis, the finding shows that educational tools can save students time. 5 participants reported that educational tools saves their time when they're working on one assignment. They save more time to work on other assignments at the same time. Also, they can save more time to study for their exams. Having extra knowledge. 4 participants reported that educational tools have extra knowledge for them. So when they ask a question or 2 questions, the tool will provide the answers for both, and then they will give more resources for them to add if they want to add. But the answer will be already there, but if they want to add more for their answer, they can add. Also, helping understanding the topic, the tools will help students in different way to understand the topic. 4 participants reported that educational tools helps them understand the topic more than the lectures sometimes, because the lectures will give you like paragraphs. So if you don't understand, the tool can put in points, summarize. So it depends about how you ask the tool to help you understand. So everyone has different way to learn, so it depends about how you should learn or how you want to learn. You can ask the tool to give you the points, to give you the paragraphs. It depends about how you want to see it, and how students use educational tools to do their assignments. So 5 participants reported they used educational tools the same way to work on their assignment, which is they ask for the format, what is the best format for me to do this assignment, and then they ask the tool for help when they're working on the assignment with the content. Also, the finding shows that lectures should encourage students to use educational tools, because students will use educational tools anyway, so it depends about how they use it. Because lectures should teach them how to use it ethically, so because it can save their time, they have more time to work on other assignments, and also it can help students learn more effectively. So in conclusion, in today's life, educational tools and AI is taking over everything, and that has advantage and disadvantage for students. So it depends about students how they use educational tools or how they use AI in general. So educational tools can be great for everyone. It depends about how they use it. So if they use it ethically, it's going to be great. If they use it in a bad way, then they will lose marks as well as they will not learn new things. Thank you.